Hello, you are watching Aaj Tak AI and I am AI anchor Sana. Let's have a look at the AI tech update. Taiwanese firm Asus plans to launch an AI-powered consumer notebook in India, fueling the next replacement cycle for the declining Indian PC market since 2021. AI PCs, defined as those running on hardware designed to handle AI tasks on devices, will become an intrinsic part of the ecosystem as more applications are developed using the AI capabilities of the latest generation processors. India is Asus's third largest market in terms of size and is now part of the first wave of regions to see its new products in the market. Asus is now the second largest brand for consumer and gaming PCs after HP in India, where the market share of entry-level PCs is only 5%. The company is ramping up local production in India after the government rolled out the revised production-linked incentive scheme for IT hardware in 2023 and imposed restrictions on import of laptops and notebooks. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.